Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the Messages app and tap the Compose icon to start a new iMessage conversation. Choose a contact, or type a phone number or Apple ID to send the message. Blue bubbles indicate iMessage delivery, while green bubbles indicate SMS or MMS delivery through your carrier. Tap the camera icon to attach photos or the App Store icon to add stickers and apps. Press and hold a message to react with a tapback, or swipe left to delete a thread quickly. Open the FaceTime app and tap the plus icon to start a new call with one or more contacts. Enter a phone number, email, or select recent contacts to add them to the call. Tap video to start a video call or tap audio to begin an audio-only FaceTime. During a call, tap the screen to show controls and switch cameras or mute your microphone. Use group FaceTime for up to 32 participants and share play to watch synced media together. Enable iMessage by opening Settings, tapping Messages, and toggling iMessage on or off as needed. Confirm your Apple ID is signed in under Messages and FaceTime settings to send and receive across devices. Set Send Read Receipts on or off to control whether others see when you read messages. If delivery fails, toggle airplane mode, then reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular data to retry sending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.